Welcome to Physiomedics. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about top 10 foods beneficial for maintaining high blood pressure. Hypertension or high blood pressure is the most common preventable risk factors for heart disease. Medications include angiotensin-converting enzymes (ACE inhibitors) are commonly used to reduce blood pressure levels. However, lifestyle changes including dietary modifications can help lower blood pressure levels to optimal ranges and reduce your risk of heart disease. A healthy diet is essential for lowering blood pressure and maintaining optimal levels, and research has shown that including certain foods in your diet, especially those high in specific nutrients like potassium and magnesium, reduces your high blood pressure levels. Here are the 10 best foods for high blood pressure. Number 1 is citrus fruit. Citrus fruit varieties such as grapefruits, lemons, and oranges may help strong decrease blood pressure consequences. They are abundant in vitamins and minerals and plant substances that could keep through lowering heart rate. Your heart health illness risk elements including high blood pressure. Studies also indicate that consuming oranges and grapefruit juice could lower heart rate. Number 2, fatty fish such as salmon. Fish that are fatty are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have substantial benefits for heart health. These fats might lower blood pressure, lowering pressure by minimizing inflammation and dropping blood levels. Vasoconstricting substances known as oxylipins. Studies have connected increased intakes of high in omega-3s can reduce blood pressure levels. Number 3, Swiss chard. A leafy green known as Swiss chard. Plenty of blood pressure lowering mechanism. Nutrients such as potassium, magnesium. 145 grams of cooked chard per cup provides you with 17 and 30 of your daily magnesium and potassium requirements. Number 4, lentils and beans. The nutrients in beans and lentils are abundant, can lower blood pressure, including magnesium and potassium as fiber. Many studies have demonstrated that eating beans and lentils may reduce high blood pressure values of blood pressures. Number 5, berries. Berries have been connected to numerous outstanding health advantages, including their capacity to decrease risk factors for heart disease, such as high heart rate. Berry fruit is a plentiful source of anthocyanins, are one type of antioxidants, which are the berries' pigments. Their striking shade, anthocyanins have demonstrated. Berries are a rich source of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which are pigments that give berries their vibrant color. Anthocyanins have been shown to increase nitric oxide levels in the blood and reduce the production of blood vessels, restricting the molecules which may help reduce high blood pressure. Number 6, carrots. Nutrient-dense, sweet and nutty carrots are a dietary mainstay for many people. In carrots, phenolic chemicals are abundant, such as picoumeric and chlorogenic caffeic acids that ease blood pressure levels and minimize swelling that may contribute to blood pressure reduction even if roasted carrots are delicious or raw. The latter may be healthier, effective for lowering blood pressure levels. Number 7, celery. Frequently consumed vegetable celery may positively impact high blood pressure. It includes substances known as lights, which could aid in relaxing blood vessels, lower levels of blood pressure. The same research that linked raw carrots consumption and lower blood pressure levels discovered that among often eating cooked vegetables, prepared celery intake and a strong correlation with blood pressure was lower. Number 8, broccoli. Broccoli is well known for its numerous positive impacts on health, include the condition of your cardiovascular system, as in including the cruciferous adding more vegetables to your diet could be wise so as to lower blood pressure. Broccoli has a lot of flavonoids, antioxidants that could lower blood pressure via raising blood vessel pressure, both raising nitric oxide and functioning your body's levels. Number 9. Spices and herbs. Some spices and plants have strong substances that could diminish blood vessels to lower blood pressure. Cilantro, saffron, lemongrass, and celery seed, cinnamon, cardamom, ginseng, and black cumin, among others. Ginger and sweet basils, the previously used spices and herbs shown to reduce blood pressure potential. Number 10. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a nutrient-dense dairy product that's packed with numerous minerals that help regulate blood pressure, including potassium and calcium.